Hello everyone, I'm Sam. Let's take a look at microwave equipment types.
ITU defines microwave systems as having a baseband unit, an intermediate frequency unit, a radio frequency unit, and an antenna. In modern split microwave units, the service processing board and IF board represent the baseband unit and IF unit separately and are installed in the IDU. The ODU represents the RF unit. IF cables connect the IDU and ODU. The ODU is installed outdoors and is mounted to an antenna directly or through a flexible waveguide. As technology continues to develop, baseband, IF, and RF units are being integrated into one module. These systems are called full outdoor microwave. In scenarios where outdoor maintenance is difficult, baseband, IF, and RF units can also be installed indoors. These systems are called full indoor microwave.
That's all for today. Thank you.